Yes, once again, this is my fourth show on gold. We have earlier discussed about the fundamental as well as technical, but as the time goes on, as the time moves on, we transit from one part to another. Technical views keeps changing. Fundamental mostly remains same. Indeed, some alteration appears. So today let's start with the technical charts. You will find in this video some 6 months, 1 year, 5 year, 10-year chart and marking and analysis on that. So let's start with the technical part. You can see that in the 10-year chart first, you can see there was a vertical rise within 6 months. It had moved almost $500, but the entire rally was removed. Entire rally was eroded after that vertical rise, and that erosion taken 3.5 years. Means I am telling you about the earlier run up which we have seen, but recent we have also seen a vertical rise that you will also find in the 10-year chart. I am telling about the last 2019 and 2020 chart. That in the 10-year chart, if you see that like the earlier vertical rise, we have seen another rally of 2019 and 2020, but it is now on the distribution phase. When the correction will comes, and how much time will take, it's not possible to tell you in detail right now, but it is obvious that correction is on the card. We must see the correction going ahead. Let's look at the 10-year chart. Analysis on your own in detail first, right? Then we will start again discussing. Okay. Now coming to the 1-year chart. Means from the May, April to May, May to June, we have seen a consolidation or distribution pattern in the chart, and thereafter it has started moving upward once again. As you will see in the chart that I have added just after analysis of 1-year chart. So April to May, May to June, these 2 months was distribution and thereafter moving upward in price. But now This is the month November beginning. Last 3 months we have seen price is consolidating and distributing, but not with the breakout that I have also mentioned in the chart. You will see just after my discussion. So as of my view from the technical point, we may see some sort of upward movement, maybe kept $2150 per ounce in gold price in COMEX, just above or just lower. Listen very carefully. In the earlier rally, we have seen gold moving up to $1,900 per ounce plus, and this year we have already seen $2063 making high, and thereafter it has corrected. So it may be go little higher above 2063 or making another high just below or near about 2063. Thereafter be ready and have patience to obvious and inevitable correction in prices that I have also mentioned in my earlier 3 gold gold price related shows. So let's interact with the chart. Finally, we will conclude this show a little touch upon the fundamental of gold prices. I have discussed the crude oil price factoring the gold price and mentoring gold movement. World class asset that crude oil price, whether it is US NYMEX oil, shale oil, or Gulf countries Brent oil, we have a restriction upon that because of natural calamities. To save our nature, we are moving towards green energy. So one asset is eroding its value, and that compensation is getting into the price of gold. Now, gold has another identification of requirements, that is jewellery industry. If gold price goes beyond its limit of increasing, beyond its average increasing that we have witnessed earlier, so the inventory of gold industry will be very high, will be very highly priced. There may be some depression in the jewellery industry. So we should have upside capping system in the price of gold as far as India and China is mainly concerned and concentrated on gold jewellery industry. Many people are working and living with this. So we can't leave that to that extent. Globally, the liquidity has been infused from all the central banks, and accordingly, gold has factored in its price. It has been adjusted from all the corner. And as far as I think, maybe I am wrong. No further liquidity is going to be added in a big volume. May have some sort of rate cuts and all, but not note printing and all, bond buying and all, and means disastrous liquidity was infused for the last 2.5 years to keep the market moving. That much volume of liquidity is not supposed to come further as of I see. So fundamental is very limited for the upside gold price movement. So friends, hope enjoyed, and watch my other videos too. If you like, you can subscribe. I will keep on updating. I have a video show on gold price crash in 2021. I have seen the price up to 36,000 downside. So let's watch. Tada, bye bye.